The Mashingomira has leaked a confidential internal memo authored by ZANU-PF's leading financier KUTYA Tagwirei, in which the controversial billionaire makes a forceful case for his appointment to the party's central committee. Zanabena mashoko arikuda panapa achiexposa aiwa a leak iri kuonekwa, a memo iri kupusha for KUTYA Tagwirei si co-option in the appointment to the central committee. For subscribe or like on the bell icon. The memo titled Redefining Revolutionary Leadership in the Global Capitalist Era is about ideological pitch that re-imagines ZANU-PF's future is one guided not only by liberation credentials but also by economic power wielded by patriotic black capitalists. Tagwirei argues that his inclusion into the central committee is vital for the party's evolution, drawing on models from China's Communist Party, South Africa's ANC, the Rwanda's Kagame-led administration, where business leaders are embedded into political decision-making. In quotes, we find ourselves at a critical crossroads, Tagwirei writes. The modern struggle is not fought in the trenches, but in the boardrooms, on the trading floors, and in investment corridors. From private billionaire to public strategist, the leaked document refutes Tagwirei's frustration with what he describes as ZANU-PF's procedural orthodox, which he claims welcomes his billions behind closed doors but rejects his leadership voice in formal structures. Can it be right to lean on a man to power our national campaigns, then say he cannot participate because he has not served in provincial structures? The memo asks. The one's money is welcome, but one's mind is not. He positions himself as a Chimurenga capitalist, a product of a party who amassed his wealth under sanctions and in service to ZANU-PF's nationalist goals, not through Western models, but from a Zimbabwean context. The leak by Mashingomira has already triggered mixed reactions. Some in ZANU-PF view the memo as an overdue reflection on a generational transformation, others see it as an attempted boardroom coup, a corporate magnate seeking to formalize his influence in a party historically dominated by liberation war credentials. Whether the Central Committee will heed Tagwirei's plea or shatter the door on what could be Zimbabwe's boldest ideological pivot remains to be seen. Ndo mashoko ari kuonekwa panguva ino kwanzi aiwa kuda kwacho Tagwirei aiwa panguva ine vanhu vaunyatsikuiona as a boardroom coup iri kuonekwa kunzi panapa ichilika ichiexposa aiwa mazano ari kuitana kuda kwacho Tagwirei kuti vakwanise kutsukutedza kuti akwanise kuva included into the central committee nokuda aiwa kwewealth yaainayo. Ina comment section medu dzamafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.